Hey guys, it's Mr. Quinones with the last tutorial on graphing and understanding quadratics in vertex form. So quadratics in vertex form looks something like this. Alright, call this one 3x plus 9. Okay. And this is vertex form when they're, not vertex form, factored form. Okay, forget I said that. You heard me say factored form. So here's a factored form quadratic and spread apart. So on this one, the key here is that you type this in over here. Use this. Y equals x minus 2 times, what I put? 3x plus 9. There it is. So your job is to graph this without Desmos. Get all of our answers. Just so we don't have that funky vertex, let me change some of this stuff. Let's see, let's go even. There we go. Alright, so this is the one we're going to use. We'll put 2 and we'll change this one. So y equals x minus 2 times 2x plus 8. Okay, so in factored form, you want to figure out what the x-intercepts are first. And notice how the y's are 0 on the x-intercepts. So you put a 0 here on the y, and you want to know what will make this become 0. So what will make this become 0? So you put x minus 2, so you think 2 minus 2 is 0. Or if you want to do the algebra, plus 2 plus 2. So x must be 2 when y is 0. So here's one of your answers, 2 comma 0. Alright, we're going to hide this one. So one of the answers is 2 comma 0. Okay, so we got one answer. And then the other one is what will make this become 0. 2x plus 8 is 0. So this is negative 8. Negative 8 plus 8 is 0. But here's the algebra anyway. So 2 times what is negative 8? You say, oh, that's negative 4. 2 times, well, here's the more algebra. Divide that by 2, divide that by 2. So x is negative 4 when y is 0. So here's your other intercept. Negative 4 comma 0. Alright, so we have the x-intercepts. The axis of symmetry is right smack in the middle of these two guys. So you want to add, in order to find the middle, you got to add both numbers together and cut it in half. So you're going to say 2 plus negative 4 divided by 2. So 2 plus negative 4 is negative 2. If I cut that in half, it's negative 1. The axis of symmetry is x equals negative 1. This is your axis of symmetry. And you can see that it makes a vertical line with every single x being negative 1. So it does look pretty accurate. Alright, next you need to find the vertex. So plug in negative 1 into the equation, right? That'll give you the vertex. So we have negative 1 minus 2, and then 2 times negative 1. 2 times negative 1, that's negative 2. You plug that in here, and plus 8. This becomes negative 3. And this is 6. This means times, so it's going to be negative 18. That is your vertex. So when x is negative 1, the vertex is negative 18. So that's the point, negative 1, comma, negative 18. And that would be way down here, okay? Your y-intercept is when x equals 0. So, cancel that. How do I do this? That it, guys? All right. So I think it's lunchtime. All right. Cool. All right. That's it. Yay.
That was such a hard period.
I agree. That was horrible. All right. All right. So we got the vertex. We got the x-intercepts. We got the axis of symmetry. All we need is the y-intercept. The y-intercept is pretty simple. For the y-intercept, all you need is to plug in a 0. To plug in a 0 in the x. So the y-intercept, if you look here, any point on the y-axis, the x is 0. So look kind of like this. All right. So imagine this red line is the y-intercept. I mean the y-axis. See, every x is 0 here, so we're not quite sure where the graph hits it, but we know it's going to hit it at 0. Okay. So plug in a 0 for x. So plug a 0 here, and here. So we have this negative 2 times 8. So this cancels out, so then it becomes negative 16. So your y-intercept is 0, negative 16, and bada bing, bada boom. Negative 16, what the heck? And there is your y-intercept, right there. So let's check out our graph. Boom, connects everything nicely. All right, guys, this is graphing a factored form quadratic. Make a new one and make one of your choosing and solve it all out, show all work. Every single step. All right, good luck.